Welcome to Rob Talks. Thank you all for your support. Here's the translation from the Mayan calendar for January 24th, 2026 for all three calendars. First up is the long count calendar, which is being represented by 13 Baktun, 0 Katun, 13 Tun, 1 Winal, and the 16 Kin. This long count point favors inward attention. Instead of pushing forward, you are invited to listen beneath the surface. Something is forming quietly, but not yet ready for action, but deeply important. The 15 Kin reflects a liminal threshold, an awareness turning inward before the next revelation. This is a day to trust the pause. What is integrating now will later emerge with clarity and strength. You're being asked to observe patterns without trying to fix them, and to honor any intuitive nudges without forcing answers. Also to allow space for rest, silence, or dream time. Before I move on to the Tzolk'in calendar, I'm also translating the entire Tzolk'in 13-day cycle in its own video. If you're interested, I'll link it at the end of this one. Today's Tzolk'in date is 7 Ak'bal. Ak'bal is represented by the night. It's about inner sanctuary, subconscious wisdom, gestation, and mystery. The number 6 is about reflection, balance, and the standing at the center of two worlds. Together 7 Ak'bal is a sacred midpoint day. It's a mirror between light and dark, conscious and unconscious. This is a time when wisdom arrives through stillness, symbols, dreams, and subtle feelings rather than logic. This is a powerful day for intuitive recalibration and inner truth recognition. You're being asked to pay attention to dreams, synchronicities, and symbols, and to trust what you sense, even if you can't explain it yet. Now let's see what the Hob calendar has to say. Today's date is 11 Sek. Sek is about cleansing, balancing, and harmonizing internal systems. Day 11 is about refinement through release, the clearing away of what destabilizes balance. Together 11 Sek encourages the clearing of subtle imbalances. This is not dramatic purification, but gentle realignment, whether it's emotional, energetic, or mental, so the inner world becomes quieter and more coherent. You're being asked to release unnecessary emotional weight, and to let go of thoughts that feel heavy or repetitive. Now let's look at what the collective message is from all three calendars. Here's the meaning of each calendar summed up. The long count is about wisdom integrating quietly beneath the surface, and the Tzolk'in reflects inner truth being revealed through stillness and mystery. The Hob calendar is about gentle purification, restoring internal balance. The combined energy today supports quiet recalibration. It's a moment in the larger cycle where slowing down is not regression, but rather preparation. It's a time when inner clarity strengthens when our external noise softens. Today reminds us that some truths are born in silence before they can guide action. This is a day to trust what you feel more than what you see. You don't need answers yet, only honesty with yourself. What you allow to settle now will soon guide you with certainty. Here is an affirmation reflecting today's calendars, but please first remember to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to help us grow. Thank you. Now here's the affirmation. I trust the wisdom forming within me. In stillness, my inner truth becomes clear. Thank you all for your support.